Hey guys, welcome behind the scenes. Hi Chris, good morning. We are today filming 4 videos. The goal is to film 4 videos for the YouTube channel and do things properly because we are systemising this business to scale. So I thought we would show you behind the scenes of what it looks like to prep these videos, film these videos, and is that the only objective? Prep the videos, film the videos.
Yeah.
Chris has already prepped them, so we're already 50% done. Chris, that was amazing, thank you. I feel like we've just got the list of our next 10 YouTube videos, so if you haven't already, hit subscribe, feel free to join the mailing list, and we're going to be answering these questions in depth in the coming weeks and months. Over and out. All right.
Perfect, absolutely perfect.
Well done, that was brilliant, Chris. How do you think that went?
I thought it was really good. Fun, concise, which is what I love. Yeah, really good video, really happy. Good start of the day.
Way. So what we're doing here is called a filming day. I know that sounds obvious, but instead of waking up and thinking like, what am I going to post, or I need to make another video, it actually takes a long time, I think, to make a little set, do your hair how you want to do it to feel good. The best thing you can do is say, on this day, like block it out in your diary, on this day we're doing a filming day and we're going to try and film 2 videos, 3 videos, or even 4 or 5 reels. And even if you're filming like an online course, you might even consider booking an Airbnb for a couple of days and knowing that you're going to go. Setting up the next video, it's all about money mindset, the books that really changed my life. So Chris is now making like a cave of books,
yes.
Like a border of books, which I'm not against. So these are all books about like money mindset.
Perfect.
We're taking liberties with this, Chris. it is about money, but it's I didn't read it, I wrote it. Just for you guys, this is the first time ever I have not come up with the titles and concepts for these videos. Chris is like a YouTube pro, he's in it all the time. And obviously you've been in the business how long? 4 months? 4 months now? So you're getting the vibe of like what we talk about, yeah. So he's given me a sheet of the videos that he wants to make, including what the thumbnail's going to be, what the opening idea is going to be, and then, Chris, where's the rest? Where's the notes on what I say? Where's the answer?
I'll leave that up to the expert.
That's half a job, that is. Right, I'll do the rest. What we're doing today is we're trying to systemise. I'm systemising to scale, so I can't wake up and have the pressure of, I need to make more videos and get the camera set up, it takes so long. So what we're doing is we're booking 1 day a month where me and Chris are going to meet, whether it's in like an office or even just here, it's just my dining room, and we're getting all the cameras out, the set, and we're filming 4 videos in one go. And then Chris can take those videos away and feel like he's got everything he needs to go and make the content. What I'm going to say is not everyone's in a position where they've got someone to help them do this. Remember guys, Chris has worked in this business for 4 months. This is like year 10, isn't it? So don't think, oh, I can't do it because I haven't got a video editor. My first few videos I filmed on a handy cam, then I started using my iPhone, then the memory got filled and I couldn't use that. And I invested all of my money, £500, in this first camera that I bought. It is hard, and that's the whole point. Like, it takes so much longer than you think to set the cameras up. It takes so much longer to film, and then when you're done, you think, oh, I'll be able to do some work. No, you'll be fried. But this is what makes it so powerful for your business, because no one could be bothered to do it. No one's got like the patience or the grit to do it, and it means that you're one of the few people who's producing content, and the more you practice this, the better you're gonna get, okay? I just thought I hadn't hit record on that. I had. See what I mean, guys? You just never know.
We're leaving them books just there for the intro.
Yeah.
This is like the first like 7 seconds, which is like the hook, and then you can go a bit more relaxed in terms of your points. So just something to roughly go off. Yeah. I've got written here, so there's 15,000 business books released every year. You've read hundreds of them. I've read hundreds of them, so you don't have to. Today I'm sharing my top 3 books to make more money.
Nice, Chris! Yeah. That is good. Someone give this guy a raise. Just concise. Should we, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
What's this book about? Yeah. Quite concise? Or like a few minutes?
A minute.
A minute. Generous. When I was going on the journey of figuring out what was stopping me making money and learning how to really save and build and invest my own... Quite concise?
A minute.
A minute. Generous. Is that alright?
Perfect.
Okay. Chris, are you there? I can't see you because it's so dark and the lights are bright. Oh, there he is! Way. So what's next?
Next up, 2 videos about the tools that you need to use in your business. One, general tools, then the next one, AI, because that's the big hot topic.
We love a bit of AI.
Yeah.
So this video, Chris, we're talking about like 5 tools I couldn't run my business without. Truth with these is, and this is scary, but if these tools did genuinely go down, like we'd be in big trouble. Like I do think you reach a point in business where like that's quite scary. We are dependent on these, but that's why we've got lots of different tools. It's like diversification. If one went down, we can use the other. If that went down, we've got something else. Chris, can we do a pop quiz for you? 3 questions.
Yeah.
Number 1, what has been the hardest thing about joining this business? Don't answer that. Number 2, no.
At 9 a.m.
Waking up when at 9 a.m?
Yeah.
That's been hard.
Being ready, yeah.
What time did you used to get up?
I wouldn't see the day before 11:30, 12.
No way, right, hang on. So Chris works from home, and every morning at about like 8:30, 8:45, about then he messages going, "Hello, I'm here, I'm online," which I always see that. I think, oh good, but now I know he's pre-scheduled that message because he's not getting up till 9. Okay, question number 2, Chris. What has been the most fun thing about joining the business?
The creativity. Yeah.
Continue. What creativity are you getting to do?
Thinking of new ideas to try and grow the YouTube channel and the videos. Yeah. And other things that I cannot say yet because they have not been released yet.
Oh, that's exciting. If you could get me to do one thing that you think would make a massive difference that I'm being resistant on, what would that be?
I would have said YouTube thumbnails, but I feel like that war is over. And I think we've reached a good middle ground, so nothing at the minute.
Guys, war is not even a euphemism for what we have discussed regarding YouTube thumbnails.
Yeah.
Okay, and what advice would you give to anyone starting making videos for the first time?
Just start. You don't need a really jazzy, fancy camera. Your phone will be fine.
Chris, I don't know if you can really say that when you've got all these 4K cameras.
Probably not.
No, that is true. So just start, your phone is fine. Yeah. What about mics? Have you got a view on whether they should buy mics? I always get asked on that.
Microphone's more important than a camera.
I say that too. Yeah, match.
True. Yeah. No one will listen to it if it sounds terrible.
Yeah. Why do I look like a ghost? Oh guys, that is a wrap. We have filmed, as Chris setting up the next set, we've managed to film 4 full YouTube videos. We're trying to make these more concise, more practical, a little bit more direct I think, but that was my fault, not Chris's. And now we're just setting up in the corner. I'm going to do some of those classic reels where people talk into the little microphone. You recognise these? Everyone asks me, what are they? They are the Rode mic. RODE, about 120 quid, but this, as long as the receiver's plugged into the camera, which it is over there, I could go outside into the street, record, and it would still pick me up. So we're going to try and do some of those direct-to-camera reels, and then we've got so much content for like the next, easily 4 or 5 weeks. A little note here, when I was decorating this room, and when I was thinking about the house, and we're decorating the house, I have tried to do it to create sets. So we've chosen this lovely colour, we've put this fireplace in, we've panelled the walls. I know that seems extreme. When I was in rental houses, before I could start putting wood on the walls, I would just go to IKEA. I would buy like a nice bookshelf, I'd get the books, I'd put a candle. You just make a set so that you can make content that is valuable, that you can share. And instead of doing it all over loads of days and being stressed, it's about bulk filming it, organising it in one go. Would you add anything to that, Chris?
No.
It's the end of the day and he wants to leave.